Hello, environmental science, Mr. Jones. And here is your assignment for the day. You are going to take the information you learned in the last class. I just put chapstick on. It looks really shiny. I'm not wearing lipstick. I mean, it's okay if I was. You are going to take that information you learned about conduction, convection, and radiation, and you are going to put it into slides. So I'll show you what it looks like. Hopefully this works out once we get the assignment going. I don't really know what it looks like on your end until I have some kids test it out. So you go to your home page here and you can go to modules, and the newest one is always at the bottom. It says conduction, convection, and radiation slides, and this is an assessment. So it says complete the slides with information you research online. The instructions are included on the slides. So when I'm planning, I haven't done this with this class. I've used this with other classes, but if you click on this, it should open this template that I've given you. And all you have to do is fill it in. So it says your name, just erase that and write your name. And then here are the directions. It says delete my green words and fill in the answers on the following slides. There's 3 slides, one for conduction, one for convection, and one for radiation. So it says state the complete definition, copy and paste a picture of an example of that, and then explain how this type of transfer happens. So conduction, convection, radiation happens in the real world. So you have to use words like matter, density, temperature, movement. So don't copy and paste stuff from the internet. I could tell when you do that because there's words that you would never use sometimes. So, you can look up things and then basically copy them, but don't just copy and paste this big long paragraph that means nothing to you, because that doesn't show me that you learned anything. Use your own words. I'll be checking for it. So you go to the first slide. It says conduction. Here's a definition. You can delete my green words and put in the definition, or you could keep them there. And then one real world example include words like matter, substances, density, waves, temperature. So you have to talk about it like you know what you're talking about. And then copy and paste an image. The easiest way to get images on here, you just go to image, search the web, and then, where does it move me over here? Oh, it doesn't like it. It refuses to connect. Well, if you go to insert and then image and search the web, it will, you could just type in like conduction and it'll have pictures of conduction. You just click on it and it drops it right into your thing. And then you have to make it a little smaller, but that should work. So then I have the same basic template for conduction, convection, and radiation. So for each of those, you have to get a definition, a real world example, and then a picture of that example. So the example and the picture are different things. So you have to have the definition, a written explanation of the example, and then a picture. So that's what you've got to do. And then you should there should be a button up here that says submit. Submit that to me and you'll get your points. So hopefully that works out for you. Let me know if you have trouble doing it. And thank you. Have a good day.